Good morning. It is a travel day. Today we are going to be driving about 8.5, 9 hours to Iowa, Louisiana. No, it's not 2 states, it's a city in Louisiana. So let's go. Always be sure to leave your campsite better than you found it. Pick up garbage, even if it's not yours. That way, we have lots of nice campsites for all of us. Good morning, everybody. Last night we stayed in Iowa, Louisiana at a KOA journey here. It's a newer KOA. It's nice, but it's very well lit at night, so if you don't have an eye mask and light bothers you when you sleep, that's kind of a problem. But we both have eye masks. So it's about 6:30 in the morning. We're gonna pack up here. We did not really do much unpacking since we're only staying here one night, and we're gonna head on out. Yesterday was about a 9-hour drive day. Today's looking like it's gonna be about a 10. We're trying to make it to Florida in time for our niece's 3rd birthday party. And that just means we have to make up a lot of time yesterday and today. Tomorrow, it's gonna have a nice short drive day. Yay! All right, so I'm gonna go pack stuff up and get on the road.
Head south on Seagull Lane, then turn right.
Seagull Lane.
Seagull Lane.
Steven Seagull?
Steven Seagull Lane.
We made it down to Fort Myers, Pine Island KOA last night. Got parked into this nice little back-end site that backs up to this little lagoon. There might be crocodiles in it, we don't know. Now we're going to head to do some shopping because we need to head over to our family's house for our beautiful 3-year-old niece's 3rd birthday. Let's go.
Cheese.
What?
Cheese. Welcome.
Because it's my birthday.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
How old are you?
Cheese.
First off, I am pretty sure that there are little baby crocodiles or alligators in this pond behind me. I see some little eyeballs staring at me. Could be a frog though. So this week in Fort Myers, we have been doing a lot of just living. No vacation-y type activities or things like that. His family is pretty close by, so we have been going over there. His grandfather is in failing health, so we have been trying to spend as much time over there as possible and help out with his medical needs to try to take some of the burden off of his family. And it's been good though. It's been really nice to come down and spend some time with family. We had his niece's 3rd birthday. We went swimming, and we've been cooking dinner together, going and getting takeout. Yesterday was just a day filled with errands and activities. It really made us feel like we were living in Ella. And that was something that I wanted to try to experience this trip, since we are going to be taking an extended trip in the winter. All in all, this portion of our vacation has been pretty low-key, and that's okay with us. So today is our last full day here. We're gonna go spend some time with the fam and get everything done that we needed to get done, and then get this Airstream ready for 3 days of travel to get home. I think I'm going to try to find some gators up in this here pond. Oh yeah, it's definitely a little bit baby gator. I wish I had a zoom lens so I could show this to you. It's tiny. I mean, the head is sticking out. It's like this big. but oh, there's another one. Oh my God, I wish I could get this. Let me try. Look at this guy right here. See that thing? What is that? We have reached the end of our little trip here. We are going to be doing a 3-day drive north. So we depart the Fort Myers Pine Island KOA today, probably drive about 7-8 hours, find somewhere to stop for the night. There's a storm about to roll in, so I think that I should probably start getting everything packed up and ready to go. I don't really want to have to hook this trailer up in pouring rain, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, it was a great trip. We learned a lot. Feel like we're seasoned vets now when it comes to RVing. Just kidding. But we did learn a lot. And we have one more trip planned for about a week from now. So, I don't know. We should probably get on the road. This storm is really starting to blow in. All right, I'm going to get to it.
Starting route to home.
Starting route to home.
Head south on Seagull Lane. Then
Steven
turn right
Seagull
onto
Lane.
Lakewood Drive.
Goodbye forever. When does it say we'll arrive? 5 a.m. tomorrow? We're not driving that much today. We are now leaving Fort Myers Pine Island KOA, hitting these streets. To where? We don't know, but we'll find out. It's gonna be great. All right, guys, we finally found a stop. We had to stop at a rest stop. We stopped at another gas station. I think it was a Pilot, then another rest stop. And finally, we have found our overnight stay, which is a Flying J somewhere in the heart of Georgia. We are waiting for the batteries to charge up a little tiny bit so we can turn on the AC. As you know, earlier in our trip, when we were in South Padre, we burned up a couple of cords, so we don't have the full correct cords with the right dongles and all that kind of stuff. So we are using just a regular extension cord. That's going to have to work, and can't draw as much current. But Goran is a wizard. He will make it work, and we're gonna get this AC on and then go to sleep. Wake up fresh, sunny, supple, nubial, ready to go. We are trying to gun it all the way home. We drove 12 hours today, and we have about 10 hours to do tomorrow, but then we have to add and stop. So just call in another 12 and we will be home. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it, but we might. So I'm gonna go to bed. Super, super, super tired, but it was a good day. Good day. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We did not get murdered. That's a plus. Our stay at the Flying J truck stop in northern Georgia was awesome. Our truck powered the Airstream perfectly, and we were nice and cool. And now it's time to continue on. We're gonna try to soldier through. We've got an 11-hour drive, so with stops, probably gonna be like 13. But we would really like to have a full weekend home before we start our work week. Let's see if we can do it.
Sorry, I'll put my seatbelt on. That one. Promise.